Your body is doing unbelievable things every second, even while you sit perfectly still. It repairs damage, fights germs, sends messages faster than electricity, and rebuilds itself again and again. Most of this happens quietly, so you never even notice it. But once you learn what's really going on inside you, it's impossible to forget. So, let's look at 8 crazy human body facts that will truly shock you. Let's start with the one that proves your stomach is smarter than you think. Number 1. Your stomach rebuilds itself every few days. Your stomach uses very strong acid to break down food. That acid is so powerful, it could damage metal. So how does your stomach survive it? The answer is simple but amazing. It constantly replaces its own lining. The inner wall of your stomach is made of special cells that produce mucus to protect the tissue underneath. Every few days, those cells die and new ones take their place. That means your stomach is always healing and renewing itself, like a living factory that never stops working. Without this system, the acid inside would burn through your stomach wall in hours. So next time you eat something spicy, remember, your body has already prepared for battle. Number 2. Your heart doesn't need the brain to keep beating. Your heart beats because of an electrical system that lives inside it. It has its own rhythm, created by tiny cells in an area called the sinoatrial node, basically your natural pacemaker. Even if your brain stopped sending signals, your heart would still beat for a short time as long as it has oxygen. That's why doctors can transplant a heart from one person to another. It keeps beating while being moved because the heart controls its own rhythm. It's not just a muscle, it's a self-running engine that powers your entire body. Every single beat is a sign of that built-in independence, a reminder that your heart literally has a mind of its own. Number 3. You're born with a diving reflex. Humans aren't sea creatures, but we have a surprising survival trick called the mammalian diving reflex. When cold water touches your face, your heart rate slows down and your blood flow changes direction, moving more toward your brain and heart to protect vital organs. This reflex is strongest in babies. That's why some babies can naturally hold their breath underwater for a short moment without being trained. Adults still have it too, but it's weaker. This built-in system helps free divers stay underwater longer, and it shows that our bodies are wired for survival in ways most of us never think about. Even though we live on land, our bodies still carry traces of an ancient, water-based past. Number 4. Your bones are alive, and they keep changing. Most people think bones are hard, dead material like rocks. But your bones are alive. They have blood vessels, nerves, and living cells that constantly repair and rebuild themselves. Every year, tiny parts of your bones are broken down by one type of cell and replaced by another. This process keeps your skeleton strong and helps store minerals like calcium and phosphorus, which your body needs for nerves and muscles. That means your skeleton isn't a fixed frame. It's a living structure that adapts to your life. If you lift weights or play sports, your bones actually grow denser to handle the stress. If you stop moving for long periods, they slowly weaken. Your body listens and reacts. That's how alive your bones really are. Number 5. Your lungs are not completely clean. You might think that everything inside your body is spotless, but it's not. Your lungs, just like your skin and stomach, have their own tiny community of microorganisms. These aren't harmful in small numbers. In fact, many of them help your immune system stay balanced. Scientists used to believe the lungs were sterile, but now we know they contain bacteria that work quietly in the background, keeping everything stable. It sounds gross, but it's actually a good thing. Without these natural helpers, your immune system could overreact and cause inflammation or allergies. So yes, even your lungs are part of a larger ecosystem. You're not one creature. You're billions of living things, all working together to keep you alive. Number 6. Your nose is a built-in air filter and air conditioner. Your nose isn't just for smelling, it's also your personal air filter. Every time you breathe in, your nose traps dust, dirt, and germs inside a thin layer of sticky mucus. Tiny hairs, called cilia, move that mucus toward your throat so your body can swallow or cough it out. But that's not all. Your nose also warms the air and adds moisture to it before it reaches your lungs. This prevents dryness and irritation deep inside your chest. That's why breathing through your mouth feels harsher and drier. It skips all those important steps. If you've ever had a blocked nose, you already know how different it feels to breathe without it. Your nose quietly protects you with every single breath you take, thousands of times every day. And you probably never noticed. Number 7. The front of your eye has no blood vessels. Take a close look at your eyes. The clear part in front, called the cornea, has no blood vessels at all. That's because blood would block light and make your vision blurry. Instead, your cornea gets oxygen directly from the air and from the tears that cover it. This design keeps your vision sharp, but also means your eyes need constant moisture. When you stare at screens and forget to blink, your eyes dry out because you're not spreading fresh tears over the surface. That dryness makes your eyes feel heavy and tired. So, when your eyes start burning after a long scroll through your phone, your body is reminding you to blink, to give that clear window a little care. Your cornea is a perfect example of how your body chooses clarity over comfort to keep you seeing the world clearly. Number 8. Your brain never stops working, even when you rest. The brain is only about 2% of your body weight, but it uses around 20% of your
The brain is only about 2% of your body weight, but it uses around 20% of your total energy. That means 1/5 of everything you eat and breathe goes straight to your head, powering billions of cells that have to stay on all day, every day. Even simple things like reading a sentence, recognizing a face, or balancing while you walk take a lot of fast, coordinated brain work. Even when you're asleep, your brain is still busy. It controls your heartbeat and breathing, stores memories, and even cleans itself by flushing away waste through special fluid channels. During deep sleep, it helps sort what you learned during the day, keeping what matters and trimming what doesn't. When you dream, parts of your brain, especially areas linked to emotion and imagination, can be as active as when you're awake, which is why dreams can feel so real. Your brain also never runs out of ideas. It creates over 100,000 chemical reactions every second, and your neurons communicate through tiny electrical signals that travel across trillions of connections. Every thought, every feeling, and every memory you've ever had come from that non-stop activity inside your skull. It's constantly working, adjusting, and protecting you, often predicting what you'll need next, all without ever asking for a break.
Your body is full of secrets. It repairs itself, defends itself, and performs tiny miracles every second. From a stomach that renews its own lining, to bones that rebuild, to a heart that can beat without orders, every part of you is alive with hidden intelligence. So, which of these 8 facts shocked you the most? Was it your self-healing stomach, your living bones, or your independent heart? Tell me in the comments below. And if you enjoy learning about the strange and amazing things your body does, make sure you subscribe so you never miss another one. There's a lot more going on inside you than you could ever imagine, and we've only just scratched the surface.